Patrick at Pals. Well, this is a Ford Fiesta. Ford makes a lot of these. They're great bread and butter cars. Get you back and forth to work, groceries, those types of things. A great everyday driver. So why is it here? Well, the battery failed. So it's going to need a new battery. And it needs front and rear brake pads. We've done a brake inspection on this, and we found that both need to be replaced. This is pretty common for vehicles that are driven all the time. You know, the heat in Florida is hard on batteries. And we sell batteries with a 3-year free replacement. And in Florida, a lot of times, they're worn it out. So it's really a good deal. Batteries have become expensive, but all the electronics on the car, you need a good battery. If you've got a Ford Fiesta, bring it to Pals. See you soon.